OnePlus has announced that it will be launching the Nord CE4 smartphone in India on Monday, April 1, 2024. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is teased to come in black and green color options. The Nord CE4 will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip. OnePlus claims it offers 15% improvement in CPU performance, 50% boost in GPU performance, and 20% improvement in power saving. It will likely run Android 14-based Oxygen OS 14 out of the box. As per leaks, the OnePlus Nord CE4 will get a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED screen with dual stereo speaker. On the rear, it is said to feature a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. It could get a 16-megapixel front camera. It's powered by 5000 mAh battery with support for 80W SuperVOOC charging. The next generation model is also expected to be priced under Rs $26,000 to $30,000 in the India. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.